Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. How you doing, man? So, first your name and what's in here, man?
Ronnie Savage got 6 matte Dreadnought 12s, and a 4th order blow-through designed by Bassaholics, and on a Sound Digital 12-inch.
Nice. What's your battery and lithium and alternator?
Right now it's got a Brand X 250 on a Cyber 12K.
Cyber 12K. Okay. Nice. I like your Star Wars theme. I just realized you had a voltage meter set up and a paint job in there. Who painted that?
It's a vinyl. In the back, it's all the way in the very back. It's an F-150 Stormtrooper.
Okay. So F-150 Stormtrooper. Very nice. Sorry, I didn't mean to climb over. It's just for the video. This is awesome. Wow. Did you build this box into the vehicle? Okay.
I built everything.
How did you seal between the box and the back?
It's got an accordion boot in there.
Okay. Wow. Thank you very much for showing me. This is cool.
Yeah, a buddy of mine, Justin Mesh, that for me. And he actually built, he actually built the top.
Okay. So your amp's down here, your battery's down here?
The battery's in the back.
It is, okay.
Yeah, the amp's down there.
All right. Awesome. Nice. I really like your Star Wars theme. I just realized you had a voltage meter set up and a paint job in there. Who painted that?
It's a vinyl in the back. It's all the way in the very back. It says F-150 Stormtrooper.
Okay. So F-150 Stormtrooper. Very nice. You have a good day. What was your name?
Ronnie.
Ronnie. Jacob. Nice to meet you, Ronnie.